think since my childhood I would have spent around 2 to 4 years in this fucking traffic, and my enemy is just in front of me, Delhi police, enemy of common people. So on left hand side we have Nizamuddin, and on right hand side we have CBI headquarters. It is a Lodi complex. Just in front of you are the government complex situated in the Lodi road area. All of them are under the central government. And this Varakula flyover was inaugurated just around year 2012, I guess. So this is the Electronics Niketan Suchna Bhavan of central government. And on this side, this road is going towards Lajpat Nagar, and this also goes towards Lajpat Nagar, same road, not much of difference. I hope in this video the audio will be very clear. Now in the right hand side we have Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. We have Asian Games Under 17 FIFA World Cup organized here, and many other Asian sport games are hosted here in this stadium. And in front of you is the railway line passing through Sevanagar, and just below this flyover is Sevanagar bus depot, and adjacent to that is the Safdarjung terminal. You can see many green buses. Guys, always install dash cam, whether it is on car or in the motorcycle, because you already know that police harasses motor riders, be it scooter riders or motorcycle riders or even car riders. So this will always harass the common people, and instead of serving common people, they are only here to harass them. So on left hand side, these are newly constructed apartments made by central government. It is a housing scheme for either government employees or I guess for the rehabilitation of slum dwellers. On right hand side is the Lodi complex. These are the government quarters. Left hand side are the Sevanagar government quarters. This Baratula flyover is around 4 kilometers long, and this connects East Delhi to South Delhi. The main purpose of this flyover was to reduce traffic, but since the car has grown a lot, so these are the beautiful apartments, newly constructed one. So on the right hand side we have central government apartments allotted for slum dwellers. The slum dwellers were relocated from Kalkaji to South Delhi, and behind these apartments are the Tyagara Stadium, where many sports and even the Mango Festival was held here in Tyagara Stadium. This is I think Kotla Pilanji Gaon. And there are independent apartments in Pilanji Gaon. And on right hand side you have Office of Human Rights Commission, and on left hand side you have government quarters allotted for central government employees. It is called East Kidwai Nagar. So this is a Human Rights Commission office, and also Ayush Bhavan is adjacent to that building. So scout dwellers are there beneath this government colony. Again, traffic. Whenever there is a traffic, only foul abuses comes in my mind, and not only me but normal commuters abuse Delhi police, and they deserve abuse. So these are multi-story government apartment. Look at this rash driver. He is riding as if these are the roads of Germany. He don't know that in India you can't do such kind of stunts because to face traffic. Such a waste of such stunt. These are the neem trees. I don't know in English what it is called. Only 37 seconds are left. 36, 35, 34. Let's see whether I would be able to cross, because sometimes the vehicles are crawling and it is almost difficult to cross the green signal. And on left hand side you have the fucking police, also known as Delhi police. Thank God they are not here. Otherwise I have zero respect for Delhi police, because they are good for nothing. And in front of you is AIIMS flyover, and many people call it as Rajiv Gandhi intersection point and also AIIMS intersection point. This is the fountain and resting area for many government employees. And my enemy is just in front of me, Delhi police, enemy of common people. Only curseful word come in my mind. Again traffic. So this is intersection point. So as you can see I am passing through. Sometimes I really enjoy cheering the traffic, but I get upset when I see my fellow motorcycle riders. This is the AIIMS Safdarjung Hospital. Many people call it as Vardhaman Hospital. I am seeing that my fellow riders are not energetic like me. They are very much lethargic. I wish I could give them some tips. Come on man, you are riding motorcycle, not a scooter. Be energetic. Again traffic. I think since my childhood I would have spent around 2 to 4 years in this fucking traffic. So on right hand side is the Sarojini Nagar and left hand side. This area is totally under AIMS campus. Area you will always see populated area. Even in midnight you will see some commuters here. This cart rider should be riding on left hand side. I don't know why he's riding on middle side. So guys, this will be the end of this motovlog. I hope you would have liked this motovlog. Please don't forget to follow me, write some comments and share this video with your fellow friends. Till then, take care and stay blessed.